What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, host of the How To Show, where we talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness one how-to at a time. This past weekend was Father's Day, and it was my very first Father's Day. And so in memory of that, I wanted to have some fun this week. And so there's not going to be any educational content for this, except for her right here. This is my daughter, Marin, and we are going to do a video on how to count to 10. And I'm going to see if I can do this the way we normally do it. We count to 10 often. I'm going to see if I can do this without dropping her. So let's see how this goes. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10. It's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10. Thank you. That is going to bring this episode of the show to a close. As always, you guys can like, comment, subscribe, do all of those things. As you can see here, we have Dino Jammies on, and it's time to go to bed. So until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary and Marin, host and co-host, maybe one day, of the How To Show, signing off.